News Channel
5 a.m. It's Tuesday, June 14th, Flag Day. I'm Gary Libator. Meteorologist Eric Gage joins us. He's in for Hannah this morning, and what a nice warm morning it is out so far.
It started out a bit cooler. Temperatures in some areas also in the 40s, a bit chilly. We're starting out to rise into the 50s, 60s, even the upper 70s. A very warm day today with sunny skies, a light breeze, and noticeable but low humidity across the area.
Beautiful.
Yes, so let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking dry in our area right now. Looks to remain dry throughout the day today. Right now it's currently 54 degrees in the Utica-Rome region right now with clear skies. For out early on this morning, you could possibly see the supermoon that you could see across the area right now. Current temperature is 54 degrees. Humidity is 90%. Dew point is 51 degrees. So we're currently in the comfortable, close to muggy category. However, we're going to be on the low side for humidity for today. Weather headlines, a cool start. We warm up to a beautiful day today. We're tracking warm and dry days for tomorrow as well. We return to rain showers heading into Thursday. Details on that coming up. Today, low temperatures in the 70s. Breaking down what to expect for rainfall heading into later on this week coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. It is June 14th.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. We are tracking a beautiful day ahead of us. A bit chilly to start out, looking at mostly sunny skies today with a light breeze and noticeable but low humidity. Here's a live look at a Radar camera overlooking the city of Oneonta. A beautiful sunrise is just moments away. Sunrise right around 5:24 a.m. Live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking dry across our region right now. We're looking to remain dry for today and tomorrow before we return to rain showers and possible storms heading into Thursday. Around the clock today, we start out a bit chilly. We quickly rise up into the 60s and 70s by the afternoon hours, hitting a high of 78, almost 79 degrees, barely touching 80 degrees in the Mohawk Valley region, 3 to 5 o'clock being the timing of the highest temperatures today. Wind speeds are going to be primarily on the low end, at least for the morning and early afternoon hours. They look to pick up heading into the evening, and will rain on a more breezy side heading into this evening and tonight. Around the clock, decreasing clouds. We're still seeing light clouds in our area right now. There's a system moving further south. More on that coming up in just a second. We'll turn into more sunny skies. It remains sunny with a light breeze throughout the day today. So we're seeing some light clouds moving in from the south. This is a system that's moving into the Maryland and Virginia area. This is called an MCS. It stands for a mesoscale convective system, or in a more basic terms, a medium scale group of organized storms. Now this is producing a lot of severe weather. This actually is the reason why there was a shelter in place for areas in Chicago. It moved further south. It's really moving down towards the Washington, D.C. area, and the track of it is still very uncertain to some meteorologists, but still we're looking to be clear to see some scattered rain showers further south of us in cloud cover. It looks to remain south of our area and continue to move further into the southeast. What to expect over the next couple of days? We start out today rising into the 50s, 60s, and upper 70s with sunny skies across the region today, primarily in most areas. We'll remain that way. Heading into tonight, we're tracking mild temperatures in tonight. Temperatures only falling into the 60s and 50s heading into early tomorrow morning. Temperatures still remaining in the 50s, rising to the 60s and 70s, and even possibly reaching 80 degrees. A warmer day tomorrow as well, going to reach the low 80s as well. Continuing to follow additional rain showers heading into early Thursday morning. Possible brief showers, especially out in the west part of our area. This looks to weaken as it heads further on. Now, as we head into later on Thursday, we're tracking the possibility of severe weather. Primarily, it is out to the west. Now, if this slows down, we'll look to be clear of a lot of that area, but still, some of our area is going to be under a slight risk for severe weather. This is when we're expecting heavy rain, possible high winds, hail, or possible a brief tornado touchdown. It's looking to be further along in the forecast. We're not expecting this anytime soon, but still, we'll keep you updated throughout the week on what to expect for Thursday. Today, high of 78, warm conditions, a light breeze as well. We turn it to tonight, mild conditions with mostly clear skies, temperatures in the 50s. Tomorrow, a bit warmer, highs in the 80s with partly cloudy skies. Our 7-day forecast. We return to much more warmer conditions, remaining in the 80s for Wednesday and Thursday. Once again, possible thunderstorms heading into Thursday, and rain conditions heading into Friday. We cool down for the weekend, heading into Saturday and Sunday, highs only in the upper 60s. Over to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. A band of strong storms brought hail.
Saying good morning to Stanwix and all of the greater Utica region. Welcome back. Here's a quick 4-day forecast before we head out the door this morning. Starting out with sunshine. What to expect the next couple of days. Looking to remain sunny and dry for today and tomorrow. As we head into Thursday, we're tracking scattered showers and thunderstorms primarily later on in the evening and some earlier on in the morning as well. And return to showers once again for Friday, mostly cloudy skies. This is a rainfall outlook as well. Remaining dry for today and tomorrow. Once again, returning to showers and thunderstorms on Thursday. Return to rain showers once again heading into Friday. In our wind outlook, we look to be on the breezy side. Not very breezy today. On the light breeze for today and tomorrow, we turn to much more breezy conditions as a front moves through our area heading into Thursday and Friday. Over to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks to Silicon Valley Engineers. Again, it is 5:30. It's Tuesday, June 14th, Flag Day. I'm Gary Libator. Meteorologist Eric Gage is in for Hannah this morning. He joins us now to help us all plan our Tuesday ahead. And right now, it seems a little bit muggy out almost.
Yeah, a little muggy, a little humid as well. Look to dry out heading the afternoon. Still on the less humid, it's noticeably humid, but not on the extremely humid side for today. Dry conditions, sunny skies. We're already seeing a beautiful sunrise even behind you right now. It'll look to remain beautiful and sunny today. A live look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking pretty much dry across the region right now. Mostly clear skies. We're tracking some high-level clouds, especially south of our area right now. Current temperature is 54 degrees in the Utica-Rome region. Sunrise just a few moments ago. Humidity is 90%. It looks to drop down as we warm up today. Dew point is in the lower 50s. So we're currently in a comfortable, refreshing conditions for this morning. Weather headlines for today will be a cool start. We look to warm up a beautiful day today. Temperatures rising into the upper 70s. We're tracking even warmer conditions tomorrow. Highs reaching the 80s with sunny skies tomorrow as well. But today, temperatures rising into the upper 70s, breaking down what to expect over the next couple of days coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. This week, the House Committee examining what led to the January 6th.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. A chilly start today. Temperatures in the 40s in some areas, 50s in the Mohawk Valley will quickly rise up into the 60s and upper 70s with a beautiful day ahead of us today. Here's a live look at a Marabito camera overlooking the city of Oneonta. A beautiful sunrise ahead of us. The first day of summer is only a week away at this point. We're now on the countdown to the first day of summer. Live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're looking dry across the region right now. Some higher level clouds mainly to the south. So it looks to move down further south of our area today as we're seeing a lot more severe weather further south towards Virginia and Maryland. Around the clock today, we start out chilly, rising into the 70s, upper 70s. We head into 3 or 4 o'clock. The highest temperatures for the day remaining in the later evening, once again between 3 and 5 o'clock. Look to cool down just a little bit after that, heading into 6 and 7 o'clock. Wind speeds on the less breezy side starting out the morning will quickly rise up into the 5 to 10 mile per hour range. Sustained winds across some areas. We head into the later afternoon hours and evening hours. Overall weather grades, after starting out a bit cloudy, especially high level clouds, some areas will quickly rise up into sunny conditions throughout the day today. So the bigger picture, we are avoiding a very substantial weather event going on right now, actually headed across Chicago and brought a shelter in place for the Chicago airport. It's called an MCS. It is a mesoscale convective system, or in a much more simpler term, a medium scale organized storm system. This basically is a lot of really heavy winds bringing close to 85 mile per hour wind gusts, as well as some hail and tornadoes as well. And this looking to move down further south towards the Washington, D.C. area. Look to be clear of the area, but still a few passing showers further to the south, looking to remain further south of our area. We're only expecting some minor cloud cover from this system as it moves further south today. Now here's what to expect for the next couple of days. We're tracking dry conditions heading into today and tomorrow. We return to rain showers and storms possibly head into Thursday. Looking at temperatures today, we'll rise up into the 60s and 70s. We head into the early afternoon hours. By 1 o'clock, we're already in the mid to upper 70s. A beautiful day in store of us today. Light breeze looks to bring up on a little bit on the windier side, especially in the Mohawk Valley as we head into the evening hours. Temperatures continue to rise into the upper 70s. We cool down into the 50s as we head into Wednesday morning, and we'll rise right back up into the 70s, even hitting the 80s with a little more humid conditions for tomorrow. Looking to see much more warmer conditions as we head into Wednesday as well. Heading to Thursday too, brief showers are possible, especially out to the west. Look to be in the early morning hours. And then an actual cold front moves through our area heading into later on in the morning. Now, this is the brand new model that's moving into our area. This could be bringing some pretty significant weather events to our area, looking to remain further out to the west for now, but a current trend could possibly bring a much more faster system, bringing severe weather to our area heading into Thursday. This is a severe weather risk for Thursday. Higher winds, heavier rain, hail possible, as well as brief tornadoes. More information on this coming up in the next couple of days. This is just very preliminary information. Today, highs in the 70s with warm conditions. A beautiful day today. Tonight, falling down into the 50s and mostly clear skies. Tomorrow, beautiful once again. Maybe on the warm side, partly cloudy skies. Temperatures in the 80s. Our 7-day forecast. Once again, we return to rain showers and thunderstorms. Heading into Thursday, warmer temperatures look to cool down as we head into the weekend for Saturday and Sunday with dry conditions for Sunday and Monday. Over to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. The registration.
Welcome back. A bit of relief for those with allergies. Just a slight relief, however. We're still in the medium category for pollen allergies. Currently, the levels are medium for today, tomorrow, and heading into Thursday as our front moves through our area. We look to go into the low end as we head into the weekend. When that count up, the biggest culprits right now are grass, dock, and oak. Looking to go out and get some yard work done today or heading into the next couple of days as well. Today and tomorrow look to be perfect conditions. A bit on the warm side with sunny conditions as well. I'm going to say no to Thursday. We're tracking the possibility of severe weather heading into Thursday. This Smokecast, by the way, is sponsored by Clinton Tractor. UV index for today looking to be on the high side. The highest level is on level 9. The highest level is currently right around 1 p.m. today. Looking to see sunny skies for today as well as tomorrow before we return to rain showers and possible storms heading into Thursday. Over to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. A traffic alert to tell you about. It's Tuesday, June 14th, Flag Day. I'm Gary Libator. Meteorologist Eric Gage is in for Hannah this morning. And Eric seems a bit muggy out this morning, but temperatures in the 50s, so it seems warm, but it's not really that warm.
Yes, and it looks to rise up into the 60s and 70s, looking ahead towards a warm and sunny day today with a light breeze, a little more breezier heading into the evening hours, but overall looking ahead a beautiful day ahead.
Another one.
Yes, another one. We're tracking even more beautiful days for tomorrow, too. So next couple days are looking dry and sunny. Here's a live look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're looking dry across the region right now. We look to remain dry once again heading into today and tomorrow. Current temperature is 53 degrees in the Utica-Rome region with sunny skies, a beautiful sunrise across central New York right now. Dew point is in the 50s. Humidity is slowly lowering as we head into much more warmer temperatures later on today. Humidity is currently in the comfortable and refreshing category right now. With the headlines, a cool start today. We quickly warm up to make a beautiful day today. And once again, those warm and dry conditions will continue as we head into tomorrow. Today, though, temperatures rising into the upper 70s. Breaking down what to expect for Thursday, we're tracking possible severe weather. That forecast is coming up. Back over to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. It is June 14th.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. A bit chilly to start out today. Temperatures starting in the 50s. We warm up quickly into the upper 70s with sunny skies, a light breeze. Humidity looks to lower as we head into the day today. A live look at our Cooperstown camera. Sunny skies across the region right now. I don't know if you can barely see it too. A spider is trying to make its home right on the camera too. It's kind of hovering right there. You can see it shaking right now, right there, the camera as well. Now, live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're looking dry across the region right now. We look to remain dry as we head into today and tomorrow. Scourge temperatures this morning in the lower 50s, 51 degrees in Clinton, 54 in New Hartford. A little bit chillier on the cooler side across southern valleys. Temperatures in the upper 40s, 48 in Lawrence, 47 in Morris and Edmondson, and 49 in Milford. However, it does warm up throughout the day today, starting out into the 50s, 60s, and rising into the 70s and upper 70s. We head into 3 to 5 o'clock. The warmest temperatures of the day looking to be in the later evening hours with sunny skies across the board, decreasing clouds. The highest cloud cover is currently to the south of our area. It looks to remain in the south and continue to move to the southeast. So this is why we're seeing additional cloud cover to the south. This is a big system affecting most areas of the southern part of the Northeast right now, bringing some widespread storms, additional wind gusts, really nasty conditions. This is an MCS, a mesoscale convective system, or in simpler terms, just a medium scale group of just organized storms. This is producing a lot of very nasty gusty winds. Thankfully, it's looking to move further south of our area for now. Now, our next chance of severe weather is looking to remain into the area heading into Thursday. Looking ahead at that in our Skycast right now, temperatures starting out rising into the 60s and 70s. A beautiful day ahead of us today with some light clouds, some areas as well, but overall a mostly sunny day today. As we continue into Tuesday, warmer temperatures remaining as we head into later on tonight, falling into the 50s. Warm up tomorrow heading into Wednesday with beautiful conditions, highs in the 80s. More on the much more warmer side. Once again, beautiful conditions with sunny skies across the board. We're tracking additional rain showers, scattered showers moving in early Thursday morning. After that, we're tracking possibility of severe weather. This is not a good look to see right now. What this means is this could be a lot of very heavy rainfall, a lot of very gusty winds. Now, this is an early outlook. This model just came out in the past couple of minutes. We want to give you the latest information on what we're seeing right now. This could produce some very gusty winds across some areas. It looks to develop further south. Now, thankfully, looking ahead, the southern parts of the area look to be clear. But what we want is to have this kind of slow down, have a high pressure kind of slow down the system so it weakens as it heads into later on the night. But overall, we currently are having a slight risk for severe weather, mainly in the western parts of our area. The highest risk right now are high winds, heavy rainfall, possibility of hail, as well as a few tornadoes are possible, non-zero. Today, highs rising into the 70s, warm conditions, a light breeze. Tonight, it will be mild, temperatures falling into the 50s with mostly clear skies. Tomorrow, high of 83, a bit warm with partly cloudy skies. Our 7-day forecast, it remains warm for the next couple of days. It cools down heading into the weekend for Saturday and Sunday. Drier conditions, once again, bringing the possibility of severe weather as we head into Thursday. Over to you, Gary.
And speaking of severe weather, a band of strong...
Good morning to Stanwix and all of the greater Utica region. Here's a quick 4-day forecast for you before you head out the door this morning. Starting out with cloud cover. Look to remain mostly sunny throughout the day today and tomorrow. Mostly sunny conditions for today and tomorrow as well. We return to rain showers and mostly cloudy skies as we head into Thursday with additional possibility of breaking clouds as we head into Friday. Additional rain showers as well. Looking to remain dry for today and tomorrow. A front can be moving through our area, bringing some possible severe weather heading into Thursday. We're tracking additional rain showers as we return into Friday. Now, our wind gusts, we have slightly increased Thursday. Overall today, looking on the lightly breezy side, but today and tomorrow on the light breeze, return to possible windy conditions heading into Thursday. For breezes continue to remain on the breezy side heading into Friday. Over to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. A Silicon once again. It is 6:30. It's Tuesday, June 14th, Flag Day. I'm Gary Libator. Meteorologist Eric Gage joins us now to help us all plan our Tuesday ahead. And if you want to get out for a morning walk before you head to work, it's a good morning to do that.
Yes, a beautiful morning. A bit on the chilly side, but it will quickly warm up into the 60s and upper 70s with a gorgeous day with sunny skies across the board today. So, and good news for tomorrow too. We're tracking sunny skies as well. We return to rain showers heading into Thursday, but details on that come in just a minute. Here's a live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking dry across our region for the time being right now. The current temperature is 53 degrees in the Utica-Rome region with sunny skies. A beautiful morning across central New York today. Current temperature is 53 degrees, a bit cooler in higher elevations, especially further south in southern valleys. Relative humidity is 89% and we'll look to decrease humidity on the lower side. So we're looking at refreshing, close to comfortable temperatures this morning today. Weather headlines will be a cool start. We return to beautiful conditions today, dry and even warmer conditions, highs in the 80s for tomorrow. But today, temperatures rising into the upper 70s with sunny skies. Your full forecast is coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. This week, the House Committee...
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. A cool start to today. Temperatures are going to be rising into the 60s and 70s. Looking ahead, a beautiful day ahead. We are now on the downward slide, a week away from summer. Here's a live look at our Cavity Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica, and actually looking out towards the on Smith Hill right now. Once again, a beautiful sunrise across the region right now. Live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Looking dry across the region for the next couple of days. We head into more rainy conditions. We head into Thursday. Around the clock today, we're starting out with temperatures in the 50s, 40s in early times, some areas as well, rising to the 60s and 70s, upper 70s in some areas as well, 78 and 79 degrees being the highs between 3 and 5 o'clock. Overall weather grades, decreasing clouds throughout the afternoon. Remaining the clouds in the atmosphere are on the higher side, in the upper level areas as well, looking to remain on the sunny side heading into the evening hours. Look at our radar and satellite, the bigger picture. There is a massive system influencing a lot of severe weather out to the southwest of us right now. It did move through Chicago, bringing some shelter-in-place orders for some areas, especially at the airport as well. Now, the MCS is a mesoscale convective system or a medium scale, a group of organized storms. This can produce a lot of very nasty weather, some tornadoes, gusty winds in excess of 80 miles per hour. Now, thankfully, this is moving to the south of us. All we're getting right now are some light clouds from that system moving further south. Heading to the next couple of days, starting out today, rising into the 60s and 70s, upper 70s for the highs for today. A beautiful day ahead of us today with some light breeze, a touch of humidity, not looking to be a little bit noticeable, but not looking to be on the very humid side. We cool down into the 50s heading into early Wednesday morning, and you rise once back up into the 80s again. A very warm day tomorrow with partly cloudy skies, temperatures remaining in the 80s. We cool down and once again to the 70s. Not looking to remain on the cooler side as we head into early Thursday morning. We're tracking additional showers in the early morning hours of Thursday, especially in the southern valleys, and brief showers. Now, sunny conditions could make Thursday a very bad day for weather. This is still way out there, so we don't want to lock this in just yet. But this is the latest model one that came through. Now, this is bringing the storm systems in a lot sooner than expected. Now, this storm system out from the west moves in a lot quicker. This could cause some severe weather in our area. Primarily, this line right here could produce very gusty winds, very possible damaging winds, along with some heavy rainfall and, once again, gusty winds. This will continue heading into later on in the evening, and it looks to dry out heading into later on for Thursday afternoon. Now, we have a Storm Tracker 2 severe weather risk for right now. It is currently out to the west from the SPC. High winds and heavy rainfall as well as hail are the major concerns for Thursday. We'll keep you updated today as well as tomorrow on what to expect for Thursday. Today, highs in the 70s, a bit warm as well. A light breeze tonight, cooling down into the 50s, mostly clear skies. Tomorrow we rise once again back up into the 70s and 80s with partly cloudy skies. A warm stretch of days we look ahead towards the next couple of days. Wednesday and Thursday, warm highs in the 80s. We cool down into the 60s as we head into Saturday and Sunday. A bit of a cool down as we head into the first days of summer heading into Tuesday. Over to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. The registration.
Welcome back. Some good news on this morning's Algae Report. Heading into the next couple of days, we look to be on the downward slide of pollen count, and especially in our area. Look at the next couple of days. We're currently in the medium category, especially Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday for pollen levels. The pollen counts right now, the highest culprits are grass, dock, and oak. Our mowcast for the next couple of days, if you're planning on getting out and getting some yard work done on our Clinton Tractor mowcast, Tuesday and Wednesday, today and tomorrow, look both on the nice side, but in the warm side as well. Temperatures rising in the upper 70s today and on the lower 80s we head into tomorrow. Thursday, some passing showers and some possible severe thunderstorms are possible heading into Thursday, so I'm going to say a no for that as you head to do some yard work for the next couple of days. Now for UV index for today, we're all looking on the higher side. We're currently at a 9 for UV index right now, and the highest peak of sunshine is looking to be around 1 p.m. this afternoon. Back to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. A traffic alert starting today is 7 a.m. It's Tuesday, June 14th, Flag Day. I'm Gary Libator. Meteorologist Eric Gage is in for Hannah this morning and is here to help us plan our Tuesday ahead. And boy, it is such a nice morning out. A lot of folks probably getting out for a walk before they head to work. Yes,
a beautiful start to today. Temperatures going to start rising into the 60s as we head into the late morning hours, rising to the upper 70s as we head into the afternoon and evening hours. So sunny skies across the board today too. An absolutely beautiful day ahead of us in store for us today. Here's a look at what to expect this morning on our bus stop forecast for today. We start out temperatures in the 50s. A bit in the cool start, but sunny skies. We turn to see much more mostly sunny skies throughout the day today. Highs in the upper 70s. And here's a look at the current trend of temperatures starting around noon. We're going to be in the mid to upper 70s around noon, heading to more sunny skies. We head into 5 o'clock in the evening hours as well. We cool in the more mild temperatures, the mostly clear skies tonight. Temperatures falling into the 50s, breaking down some possible severe weather heading into Thursday. Details on that is coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. It is June 14th, also known as...
Back, here's a quick look at our sunshine, rain, and wind outlook for the next 4 days. Starting out with sunshine, expect sunny skies for today and tomorrow before we return to more cloudy conditions heading into Thursday. It's a passing front moves through our area, bringing some rain showers as well. Well, a little less cloudy conditions on Friday, but still cloudy conditions we head into later on, starting out this weekend. Now, rainfall look, we're looking at being dry for today and tomorrow. We turn to rain showers heading into Thursday, and possibility of scattered showers and a few rounds of severe thunderstorms are possible. We return to rain showers once again heading into Friday. And our wind outlook overall, rain on the light breeze side for today and tomorrow. We return to much more breezy and windy conditions heading into Thursday ahead of a cold front before we return to breezy conditions heading into Friday. Back to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. Severe storm.
Morning and welcome back. A cool but sunny start to today. Temperatures will quickly rise into the 60s and 70s across our area today. Here's a live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Looking dry across the region right now. We look to remain dry for today and tomorrow before we expect some rain showers and some possible severe weather heading into Thursday. A live look at what's happening right around New York State right now. Currently 55 degrees in the Utica-Rome region with sunny skies. Dew point is in the 50s with relative humidity in the upper 80s to low 90s. So currently we are in the refreshing to comfortable category right now for humidity. Weather headlines will be a cool start, tracking a beautiful day today and return to even much more warmer conditions tomorrow. Temperatures rising into the 80s with sunny skies tomorrow as well, partly cloudy skies. Today, though, temperatures going to quickly rise into the 60s and 70s with highs in the upper 70s later on today. Breaking down what to expect for Thursday, possible severe weather coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Thanks to Silicon Valley engineer.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning. A beautiful day in store for us today. Temperatures a bit on the cooler side starting out when we quickly rise into the 60s and 70s with sunny skies across the region today. Here's a live look at our Cabby Tower camera overlooking Smith Hill and seeing some high-level clouds, but overall a beautiful sunrise. The high-level clouds look to move out of our area heading into later on this evening as a system from the south continues to move further to the southeast. Live look at Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking dry across the region for now, remaining dry for the next couple of days. Now, around the clock, we start out today in the 50s, rising to the 60s and 70s. We go into the highs in the upper 70s between 78 and 79 degrees between 3 and 5 o'clock. Now, weather grades overall, after some high-level clouds, they look to clear out when we look at sunny skies across the board, heading to the afternoon and evening hours, green across the board. Radar and satellite, we are tracking dry conditions for the next couple of days. We are narrowly missing a system moving down to the southeast. This is bringing a lot of really nasty weather to this further south of our area, especially down towards Maryland and even in places of Ohio, as well as some areas now out near Chicago brought some possible severe weather as well. This is remaining south of our area for now. But what is influencing us now is some of the cloud cover that this is creating. Now, this is bringing some additional high-level clouds into our area, at least for the time being. It's looking to clear out as we head into the evening hours. What to expect over the next couple of days. We start out in the 50s today, rise into the 60s and 70s. A beautiful day in store for us today with a light breeze. It looks to be a little bit more breezy, especially in the Mohawk Valley heading into the evening hours. Highs in the upper 70s. We continue into seeing much more mild conditions for early tomorrow night. And heading into early Wednesday, rising into the 70s once again, and even the 80s. A warm day ahead of us for Wednesday as well. Clear conditions with sunny skies. We return to rain showers and possible severe weather Thursday. So overall, we're tracking some rain showers moving into the area in the early morning hours. Additional cloud cover, and we're tracking this right here is a front that could bring some possible very gusty winds along with some rain showers, and hail is a possibility as well. Now, current severe weather risk for right now, this is way out there. We'll get more information in the next couple of days, specifically up here at noon, as well as tomorrow, as well as the Live at 5 News Hour. Weather risks right now, high winds, heavy rain, and hail are the biggest risks. Right now, high in 78 degrees. Tonight, falling into the 50s. Tomorrow, rising into the 80s. Once again, our 7-day forecast, we look to remain much more warm as we head throughout the rest of the week.
The Herkimer
Here's meteorologist Eric Gage in for Hannah, and what a nice day you picked to come to work, right?
Yes, that's right. An absolutely gorgeous day already. Temperatures rising into the 70s and upper 70s for highs for today with sunny skies across the region. We're tracking additional, much more sunny conditions heading into tomorrow. We're tracking additional rain showers heading into Thursday. Live look at our Cooperstown camera. Things are looking dry and sunny, as well as our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking dry across the region. Current temperature is at 76 degrees in the Utica-Rome region. A very warm and sunny day today. Humidity is 45%. Dew point is in the low 50s. So currently we are in a comfortable, noticeable humidity, but still a comfortable setting for humidity right now. Weather headlines, a beautiful day today. We're tracking warmer weather tomorrow, even increasing into the 80s. We're tracking the possibility of putting an alert day for Thursday. More on that coming up in just a bit. But today, highs in the 70s, breaking down what to expect for the next couple of days, including some thunderstorms moving into the area on Thursday coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. The third
most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good afternoon and welcome back. We are tracking an absolutely gorgeous day across central New York today. Highs reaching the upper 70s with sunny skies, a light breeze, just a little bit of humidity as well. Taking a live look at our Cabby Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Seeing some light clouds across the area, but overall beautiful skies across the region today. Live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Looking dry across the region, looking to remain dry at least for today and the early parts of tomorrow before rain showers will return heading into Wednesday night and into Thursday as well. The bigger picture right now, we have some storms moving further down south. Luckily, it's looked to weaken before it headed into the Washington, D.C. area, but still, the cloud cover that was influencing some of the cloud cover over our area today has moved further down south. We're now seeing some light cumulus clouds across the region right now. Like I said, thankfully, it is moving further down to the south this afternoon. A high pressure system is keeping our area clear of weather for today. Now, going into the next couple of days, starting out today, we're going to reach temperatures in the upper 80s with absolutely sunny skies and gorgeous conditions across the area. And with a light breeze, it will be picking up just a little bit in the Mohawk Valley later on this evening, looking to remain in a light breeze category for today. We fall down into the 50s tonight. What about on the cooler side, remaining in the mid 50s as well. We warm up tomorrow into the 80s, a little bit more humid with temperatures remaining in the 80s as well, with mostly sunny skies. Additional cloud cover is possible. Now, as we head into Wednesday night, we're tracking the possibility of a few scattered showers returning. And then heading into early Thursday morning, we're tracking the possibility of additional rain showers, possibly producing some rumbles of thunder heading into our area on Thursday. But this is not the big story. The big story is moving into our area heading into Thursday afternoon. Now, this is not a good sight to see. This looks like a lot of heavy rainfall, a lot of heavy winds. And this looks like a possibility of severe weather in our area. So right now, this is the timing of currently around 6 o'clock in the afternoon, in the evening, heading into early on Thursday as well. Additional storms moving into the area. But what we have for additional new information right now, new information came out within the last hour or so. So the timing is pretty consistent with computer models around 6 p.m. heading into Thursday. This could change significantly heading into Thursday as well. There are ingredients there for severe weather, including rotation and as well as moisture in the atmosphere. Now, the only thing that is a big what if is, will the storms weaken before reaching our area? Now, right now, the severe weather risk for most of central New York is mainly out to the western part of Oneida County. It gradually weakens heading over our area, even out parts of out part of eastern Otsego County. Things look a lot less severe. Highest risk right now for heavy rain and high winds as well as hail. And currently, the yellow area would be on the level 2 out of 5 risk for categories, so slight risk of scattered severe thunderstorms, isolated intensity, and even the possibility of a tornado pop-up as well. It's going to be on the low side as well. Today, highs in the upper 70s, warm with a light breeze. Tonight, it will be cooling down into the 50s with mostly clear skies. Tomorrow, a bit warmer with highs in the 80s. Continue to see warmer temperatures throughout the rest of the week. We're starting out in Wednesday, highs in the 80s, turning into the 80s as well for Thursday. Additional showers and thunderstorms possible. Rain showers hanging into Friday. Father's Day looks cooler with temperatures in the 60s. What do you, Gary?
Eric, thanks. A COVID-19 vaccine from Pfizer could be...
As Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis, I almost said getting us ready for our weekend. It's Tuesday.
We wish.
What's the rest of the work week looking like? I know we have some severe weather headed our way in a couple of days.
Possibly. That's what we are keeping an eye on for Thursday. There's a lot of question marks there, but if you are going to be outside Thursday afternoon, check back with us tomorrow. We're going to kind of break things down tonight. I think we'll have a better handle on that tomorrow, too. Current temperature is 80 degrees. It's warm. It's a great evening to be outdoors. Northwest wind at around 7 miles an hour. And as we look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, things are looking pretty quiet. Again, we're going to keep an eye on Thursday evening. It looks like the storms are going to be strongest to the west. And again, highly uncertain how far east they will hold together. And that's why we are going to hold off on the alert day for now. But again, stay with us for that. We're looking at warm and more humid air heading into the region tonight, tomorrow, and into Thursday. And again, we're tracking Thursday evening for potential storms. Mostly sunny this evening. Again, beautiful weather, temperatures in the 70s. We're tracking an increase in the humidity as well. Look at that forecast coming up. Kristen, back to you.
All right, Bill, thank you.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. A lovely day across central New York. Lots of sunshine, less wind compared to yesterday, low humidity. It is warmer. The weather is going to continue to get warmer over the next couple of days. A live look at our Cab B tower cam overlooking the city of Utica. That is a postcard-worthy picture right there. We've got some fair weather clouds and again, just really nice weather. And we're looking at dry conditions on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Temperature-wise, upper 70s to near 80 degrees. Whitesboro, 78. 80 in Dolgeville, as well as Little Falls and Westmoreland. Deansboro with 76. Across Southern Valleys, Sherburne 77, Hamilton 73, and Norwich with 75. A great evening to take the dog out for a walk. This is perfect weather. Sunshine, temperatures in the 70s this evening with a light breeze. Tonight's featured dog is Frankie from Dolgeville. And if you want to be part of this, send your dog photos to Bill's Buddies on Facebook. This is brought to you by StaffWorks. Our pleasant weather, consider ourselves lucky. If you don't like the heat, this is a great place to be. Look to the south and west. Scorching heat in the nation's midsection in the southeast. And some of that, a very small part of that, is going to be moving in our direction. It's only going to bring temperatures up into the low 80s here over the next couple of days with slightly higher levels of humidity. Again, definitely not going to see the brunt of that. We will see some cooler weather as we head into the weekend. Very comfortable conditions. Temperatures in the 60s here for the high on Saturday. Where we find that warm weather, we also find a frontal boundary, again, separating the scorching hot summer weather compared to the pleasant weather here in the Northeast. We see some showers and thunderstorms along that. That will eventually head east, and that will bring our next chance of rain here as we head into Thursday, maybe even a few thunderstorms. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast tonight. Overnight lows drop down into the 50s, pleasant. Sunshine tomorrow, slightly warmer than today, highs in the low 80s. Heading into Thursday, a weakening cold front approaches from the west, some scattered showers around in the morning. We're expecting strong storms to develop in western New York where it will be a lot warmer, and then those storms generally weaken as they head east. The question mark is, how quickly do the storms weaken? At this point, we have to be on the lookout for some stronger storms Thursday evening and into Thursday night. This is going to be heading to the east, followed by some cooler weather. And it's always a reminder as we continue into the summer season, always have a way to get weather information on the go. An easy way to do that is to download our free Storm Tracker 2 weather app. It gives you alerts based on your location, whether it's inconvenience such as heavy rainfall or even thunder and lightning. It'll give you a notification if there's lightning nearby. Again, very helpful to do that. Looking at temperatures in the 50s tonight, pleasant weather tomorrow, beautiful day, warmer, highs in the low 80s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Cooler weather ahead as we get into the weekend. The weather does dry out. Temperatures very comfortable in the upper 60s Saturday, low 70s Sunday. We start to warm up as we head into early next week. And coming up in a few minutes, we're talking about tonight's full moon, when it rises and what the viewing conditions are like.
Is this the strawberry moon?
The strawberry moon,
Oh,
yeah.
you like that?
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Bill.
Well, take a look at this video.
The center and find out what the weather is going to be like, not only for Enchanted Forest tomorrow, but looking ahead to the weekend for the Midway to open.
Yeah, the weather's looking pretty good. We have to watch Thursday, but other than that, it is looking pretty nice. It's look and feel a lot more like summer. And speaking of summer, we've got the full strawberry moon in the sky tonight. This was a picture last night taken by Ruben Pratt. The strawberry moon getting its name from the strawberry harvest that is occurring this time of the year. The moon rises tonight at 9:30 and sets at 6, a little after 6 tomorrow morning. Viewing conditions are expected to be decent with partly to mostly clear skies. Looking to cut the lawn over the next couple of days. Tomorrow is a good day. Thursday, not so much. Some showers and thunderstorms. Back to some drier weather as we look ahead to Friday. Our MoCast is sponsored by Clinton Tractor. Things are looking dry. It is a lovely evening in central New York. Temperatures will stay in the 70s with mostly sunny skies. Some warmer and more humid weather ahead. We're tracking that, and we'll look at some storms possible Thursday. The forecast is coming up. Kristen, back to you.
Time to roll up your sleeves.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are tracking some warmer weather and more humidity as we head into the next couple of days. A beautiful evening across the region. It's a live look in Cooperstown. Lots of sunshine, and again, just another nice day across the region. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. It is dry, and it stays dry throughout this evening. Temperatures are comfortable, warmer than the past couple of days. Barneveld 77, Boonville 76, Old Forge 73, Paynes Hollow 80, Bob and Clinton with 78, across Southern Valleys. Cassville 74, Richfield 78 degrees, Frankfort 80 degrees, Mark and Milford 73, and Lyman in Eaton with 75. Tracking the humidity over the next couple of days, the dew point, which measures the water in the air, this will be slightly increasing tomorrow, noticeably more humid on Thursday. That's going to be the most humid day of the week before the humidity drops, and by that, it drops big time as we head into Saturday. Much more comfortable, in fact, downright refreshing air is expected heading into the weekend. The radar and satellite image shows pretty quiet weather across the Northeast. We've been really fortunate. If you don't like the summer heat, this is the perfect weather pattern for you. We're looking at sunshine here. To the south and west, it is scorching heat in our nation's midsection. Temperatures in the 90s, heat index values over 100 degrees for large portion of the Midwest and into the southeast. And that is not going to arrive locally. We are going to be spared from it, at least this time around. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast tonight, we're dry. Overnight lows drop down into the 50s. It's pleasant Wednesday, sunshine, noticeably warmer and slightly more humid, highs in the low 80s. Heading into tomorrow night, looking at a few sprinkles and showers to arrive. Thursday, we're watching a cold front approaching from the west, and there's also going to be a push of some warmer weather. It looks like the warmest and most humid weather is going to stay just to the west of us Thursday evening. So this area will likely see some stronger storms. This is basically west of Utica. East of Utica, including the Mohawk Valley, a good portion of the area. Looks like we're going to be on the cooler side. At least the air will be less favorable for storms to develop. And again, as we head into Thursday afternoon, the day looks generally dry. As that cold front approaches, again, some strong storms possible to the west. Some question marks as to how far east these hold together. So we'll hold off on the alert day for now, but check back with us tomorrow because, again, we're going to be tracking these storms and how they develop here for Thursday. And just a heads up, if you're going to be spending time outdoors Thursday afternoon, it's going to be something you're going to want to check back with us on. Pleasant tonight, low of 56. Tomorrow, beautiful day, partly sunny, temperatures in the low 80s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Cooler weather as we head into Friday, 77 for the high. We're looking at dry weather for the weekend. Father's Day looks nice. Temperatures in the upper 60s to low 70s both Saturday and Sunday. Some warmer weather to follow, back to near 80 as we look ahead to Tuesday. Coming up at 6 o'clock, we're taking a look at how the warmer weather affects the pollen count. Stay with us.
Your forecast at 6. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Beautiful day across central New York. Slightly warmer than yesterday. Temperatures hit 80 degrees at Griffis and Rome, and that's where we stand right now. We have low humidity. That's going to change. It's going to feel more like summer over the next couple of days. A live look at the Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking quiet. We're keeping an eye on Thursday. There's the chance that we could have a couple of strong storms. There's also a high degree of uncertainty as to whether or not the storms will survive the trip from the west. So again, just something we'll keep an eye on. This will be Thursday evening. We're going to time out those potential storms coming up. Again, pleasant weather continues, warm, more humid conditions tomorrow and especially Thursday, and some cooler weather to follow as we head into the weekend. This evening, mostly sunny, temperatures in the 70s. Again, tracking those potential storms for Thursday and much cooler weather to follow. Look at that forecast coming up. Kristen, back to you.
Enchanted Forest water supply.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening. Beautiful weather will continue, at least for the short term. It will turn noticeably warmer and more humid over the next 48 hours. So let's take a live look outside. Gorgeous conditions. This is a live look at our Cavby Tower Cam overlooking the city of Utica. Mostly sunny skies. Very pleasant conditions. The sunset nowadays is after 8:30. Nice long days across the region to enjoy. And again, we are looking at dry conditions. If you have to cut the lawn, this evening looks great, as does tomorrow. Thursday is our next chance of rain, so not looking so great for that day. Friday looks better. Our MoCast is sponsored by Clinton Tractor. Skywatchers this evening, Barneveld 77, Boonville checking in with 76, West Leiden 72, across Southern Valleys, Edmonton 72, Richfield 76, Morris 75, and Helen and Cassville with 74 degrees. We've got high pressure that's been driving our weather. We've been lucking out in terms of the temperature. If you don't like the high heat and high humidity, this weather pattern is basically your kind, because as we go to the south and west, we don't have to go too far to notice some very hot weather in Chicago and into the Carolinas. That will stay to our south over the next couple of days. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast. Tonight we're looking at dry weather. Overnight lows drop down into the 50s. Another beautiful day tomorrow with lots of sunshine. Slightly warmer, slightly more humid, temperatures in the low 80s. Things start to change heading into Wednesday night. We're going to see a push of warmer and more humid weather from the west, and Thursday becomes more active. We think that there could be a few stronger storms Thursday evening. The higher risk looks to be west of Utica, where warmer air will make its way into parts of central New York. And there's going to be a stalled front right in our area. So east of the front, the air is going to be a lot more stable, much less likely for strong storms. And you can see that is right in the middle of our area. So that's going to ultimately determine how far east some of those storms go. We can take a look at our skycast here Thursday afternoon. Again, most of the day looks dry. Watch what happens in the evening. We're expecting a line of storms to develop, again, strongest to the west and then falling apart as they go to the east. We could still see some heavy rain, gusty winds, thunder and lightning with that. And just a reminder, if you're going to be outside, you're going to want to have a way to get some weather information. An easy way to do that is downloading our Storm Tracker 2 weather app. Pleasant tonight, low of 56. Beautiful day tomorrow, sunshine, temperatures in the low 80s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. In the wake of that cold front, temperatures drop. 77 for the high on Friday, a few showers early. Nice over the weekend, pleasant, comfortable. Temperatures in the 60s Saturday, near 70 on Sunday, and into the upper 70s by Tuesday. Back over to you.
All right, Bill, thank you. Still to come on News Channel 2. Let's look at the forecast. Let's go to Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. Beautiful evening for a ceremony. Great day on tap for tomorrow, too.
Yeah, it looks really nice tomorrow. We're looking at sunshine, some warmer temperatures. We wanted to start out by addressing Thursday. We have the chance for a few storms Thursday afternoon. A couple of these could be on the stronger side, especially west of Utica. Something we'll be keeping an eye on here as we head into the next 24 hours. In the sky tonight, the full moon, the full strawberry moon. We should have great viewing of that tonight. The moon will be setting tomorrow morning shortly after 6 o'clock. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking quiet across the region, and we are looking at dropping temperatures for 65 degrees, clear skies. Sunrise tomorrow is before 5:30. We're getting into some of the longest days of the year as we approach the summer solstice. Heading into tonight, mostly clear skies down to 56. We are tracking a nice day tomorrow, along with some thunderstorms on Thursday. And look at that forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Enchanted Forest water supply.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. Welcome back. We're taking a live look outside. This is our CAVV tower cam overlooking the city of Utica. Another nice night across the region. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking dry. Let's take you around the clock tomorrow. Temperatures start out in the 50s. It's going to warm up. Looking at temperatures in the low 80s in the afternoon. Warmer than yesterday. A light wind is expected throughout the day, and we're looking at nice weather from start to finish. Looking at partly sunny skies. Again, a very enjoyable stretch of weather here, hasn't it been over the past several days? Things are going to change as we look at the radar and satellite image. We've been keeping an eye to the west. While not much is being shown in this map, it is a lot warmer. It's been very hot to the south and west of us. Temperatures have been in the 90s from Chicago all the way down into the Carolinas. And this hot air is trying to work its way into the northeast. It's going to come up short, but there will be just enough of it to get here that's going to cause some weather, being some showers and thunderstorms as we head into Thursday. Storm Tracker 2 skycast tonight, mostly clear skies overnight, lows drop down into the 50s, a very pleasant night. Beautiful day tomorrow, sunshine, slightly warmer, slightly more humid, but still a generally enjoyable day. Temperatures in the low 80s. Heading into tomorrow night, an increase in the cloud cover is to be expected, and then we're expecting a push of warmer weather to move into central New York and stall as we get into Thursday. The warm weather makes it as far east as parts of central New York. Just kind of drew a general idea of where I think the warm air is going to stop. And to the west of that line the air is going to be a lot more unstable, feeding energy for potentially strong storms Thursday evening. To the east, the air is expected to be cooler, more stable, and there will be a lower threat for thunderstorms. It's a pretty tricky forecast here because we've got this stalled front in play, and so therefore it's a risk for severe weather for parts of the area. And as we head into Thursday evening, here's when we're expecting those storms to develop. The morning and the afternoon looking quiet, but then later in the day, here comes that line, again weakening, but how fast it weakens will determine how much severe weather may end up making its way into central New York. Bottom line is, have a way to get severe weather information. Easy way to do that is download our free Storm Tracker 2 weather app. Tonight, pleasant conditions, low temperatures in the mid-50s. Beautiful day tomorrow, sunshine, temperatures in the low 80s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Again, the chance for storms Thursday. This may turn to an alert day, depending on what information we get tomorrow. We're on the fence here. We'll keep you posted. Friday, some scattered showers, 77. Saturday, cooler, 67 for the high. Father's Day is looking nice. Dry on Monday. First day of summer approaching for Tuesday. Sunshine temperatures in the upper 70s. We'll be right back.
First look at the forecast. Let's get over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. Looking ahead to Thursday for a moment, right, Bill?
Yeah, we're taking a look at Thursday's forecast. We have the chance to see some thunderstorms in our area, and the chance that a few of them could be on the stronger side, especially west of Utica. The timing of this would be in the evening time, so and something we're going to be keeping a close eye on. As we look at the weather for tonight, looks great, clear skies. The full strawberry moon is in the sky, given its name because of the strawberries that are common this time of the year, the big harvest taking place. The moon will be in the sky through 6 o'clock tomorrow. As we look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, things are looking quiet across the region. Temperatures are cooling down, but it is warmer compared to last night. Current temperature 64, calm winds, clear skies. We'll drop down into the 50s, a comfortable night ahead. Beautiful day tomorrow, feeling a little bit more like summer. Some warmer weather on the way. Look at that forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thanks. Enchanted Forest.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. We're taking a live look outside. This is our CAVV tower cam overlooking the city of Utica. We have clear skies in place. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. It's comfortable tonight. Temperatures not quite as cool as they were last night. So taking you around the clock, temperatures tomorrow will be climbing into the low 80s as we head into the afternoon. Winds will be generally light throughout the course of the day, and the weather looks nice. We're looking at a decent amount of sunshine from start to finish, partly sunny skies. Again, warmer than it was today, but it should be just as nice. So you look at the radar and satellite picture, things are looking pretty quiet across the northeast. We will see dry weather prevail tomorrow. Eventually, what will be happening is a push of warmer weather will try to work its way into the northeast. There's been a very dramatic increase in temperature heading into the southeast. Temperatures in the triple digits today. The heat index well over 100 degrees, even in areas like Chicago as well. As that tries to work its way east, it is going to produce some showers and thunderstorms as it clashes into some of this cooler weather that we've been enjoying over the past few days. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast tonight, we're looking at mostly clear skies. Overnight lows drop down into the upper 50s. Tomorrow, a beautiful day, a little bit warmer than today, highs in the low 80s. Tomorrow night, some clouds start to arrive as that leading edge of warm weather starts to arrive. We're looking at a couple of scattered showers in the morning. That push of warm air fails to reach central New York. It only makes its way as far east as, say, Rome and Hamilton. And where that warm air is could also lead to some stronger storms. There'll be more energy in the atmosphere. And it's this boundary here that will separate the risk for severe weather, which would be west of Utica, versus more stable air, which includes Utica and the Mohawk Valley. So it's a tricky forecast, and where this sets up will ultimately determine which areas see severe weather and which areas don't. If this line ends up going more to the east, we'll likely put tomorrow or Thursday as an alert day. If it continues to head to the west, the risk for severe weather will be getting lower. As we look ahead to Thursday, the first part of the day looks dry, the afternoon dry as well. Thunderstorms are expected to develop and move in, and again, these will likely be weakening as they head to the east, but again, some strong storms are still possible heading into Thursday evening. And with that in mind, if you're going to be out Thursday evening and away from the television, there's a way you want to get weather information. An easy way to do that, download our Storm Tracker 2 weather app. Pleasant conditions tonight down to 56. Tomorrow, sunshine and warmer, highs in the low 80s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Cooler weather on Friday, some showers possible, 77. Pleasant this weekend, upper 60s. Saturday, Father's Day looking dry, sunny, 70. Mild on Monday, first day of summer. The summer solstice is here Tuesday with highs in the upper 70s. We'll be right back.